This 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak 260 RBSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Dutchmen Kodiak 260 RBSL is 5,447 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.